the driver approaches the railroad crossing, she will check her mirrors and turn on her hazard lights at least 100 to 300 feet before the crossing. Stop 15 to 50 feet from the nearest rail. When you're stopped, turn off all heaters and fans and require your students to be quiet. Look and listen for any oncoming trains. Open the door and the window to look and listen. If no train, close your service door and proceed. Deactivate your hazards once your bus has cleared the tracks.